welcome. My name is Jan Badur. I'm the Managing Director of Nordic Marketing, and together with my team, we are more than happy to have so many of you joining our MÖKKI event this year. MÖKKI, as you might know, means cottage in Finnish. A MÖKKI can be a very simple, traditional one, or up to a very luxury version. And I'm happy that we have all these types of MÖKKIs today when it comes to the suppliers from Finland. And at the same time, I'm glad that there are so many tour operators from all over Europe joining us to meet those suppliers and to get to know those different types of MÖKKIs for their clients. I wish you successful meetings, a good day, and if there are any issues with the technique, my team and I, we are glad to help you. Even afterwards, if there are needs to have more details, contacts, or picture material, we are here to help. Thank you everyone for joining and have a great day.